All right, 398.45. Right here, 398.30, because we need to have a little bit more momentum, but it's already pulling to the downside. Let me get rid of all these drawings. Right here, it's already pulled down to a level that I think it's just going to keep dropping. So we're going to say 383.30 right here to the downside. It's already there. To the upside, I'm looking for more of this traffic up here. You can see where it started to pull. I don't like anything even close to this VWAP. So I would say, tighter, hold on. What do we got over here? You can see the bottom right here. 399.50 to the upside. Everybody see that? Market's pulling though, probably right at the bell. Or before, this is already going to pull below that level. We might have to reevaluate soon, but I think, I mean, it's already pulling. So, okay, Apple. It's exact same situation. You can see it off of here. Apple to the downside below 139.15. We know 139 is going to be another hard stop, obviously, but 139.15 to the downside here. I'm looking at this right here, the upside, 140.38 to the upside. Everybody see them?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Now, Tesla was on a super tear yesterday, looking for any type of critical levels in here. Let me start mapping some of these. Yeah, I can already see it sitting in here. And I'm pulling that off of here, here. So 140, is that 140.24? So 140.20 to the downside. Now critical levels to the upside. I can see one here. Is it touching anything else? Just this little bit here, here, here. I mean, honestly, I don't like it till it come up back up to here. So this is where I like it better. I like it above 144.50 to the upside. Everybody see that?
Yes, sir.
That one's going to have a tough time up here, I think. Right here. There's another spot. Give me a moment. I like this spot too because it's above, just above VWAP, just above the 200 here. So this one is a little more sketch. Oh, right here. I'll go a little bit higher. I can see it off of this, but it's really close to here. If you wanted to start a long position, you could do it here above 143.45 or wait for $1 more confirmation above 144.52. Let's see. Netflix. Here, pulling it off of this range. There's one here too, but it looks like it's already sitting on it right here. Yeah, that's where it just broke through. Give me just a moment. Trying to map this one out. This one's a little, oh, I see it right here. All of this up here, this. I'd like to see it break all of this. Okay. All right, right here, it could start a long position. Upside 356.18. I'm basing that off of, do you see all this traffic right here? And then yesterday right here and right here. So that's to the upside. To the downside, I'm looking at it down here in this little demand area, 352. So below 353 basically to the downside. Let me see if there's anything earlier to pull on because that's a pretty far range. I mean, you got to wait almost $1.35 for that right here. Barely though. See this? Yeah, right there. You could start a short position right here. This is off 353.88. It's really small though. Do you see this small spot? And then the other ones I grabbed from here. And then of course up here to the upsides. Everybody see it all? All right, let's see. What are we missing? Google. Google right here. Hold on. Looking at previous day, what a soupy little mess in here. Don't really see any, I mean, this is kind of a mess. Oh, right here, yep. You see all this traffic from before it? That's a hard line, but that's pretty far away. 99.27, we're sitting at 99.62. Google moves about 20, 30 cents out of the gate. Make this a little more. 99.30 to the downside. Now the upside's a little trickier on this one. I can see it here, touching here. I know that's going to be a big level later today. Yeah, 99, what is this, 99.95. So I'm going to say above 100 to the upside and below 99.30 to the downside. Everybody got that?
Yes, sir.
Amazon. It's already sitting on it. Here's a big one. I mean, that's where it's sitting now, isn't it? 96.68. It's at 96.86. I mean, it's already sitting there. We need to have it move just a little bit more, but that's already going to be to the downside. So right there below, I'm going to say 96.50. Give this, no, that's too much. 96, yeah, 96.63 look good to the downside. And I'm really pulling it off of here. The reason I'm not doing it immediately here because it's already sitting there. We want it to have a little bit of range, right? It has to move a bit before it just, you're already in it, go. But it's all, everything's pulling. So that's to the downside. Now to the upside, I can already see it based off of all of this. To the upside above 97.50. Is that all of them? Did we catch them all?